All right, let's get on to another unboxing. This is the Deluxe M618 Plus, and this is an ergonomic mouse, as you can see from the box here. And I'm actually fairly excited to test it because, you know, I'm afraid of carpal tunnel syndrome as well. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. I don't suspect there's going to be a lot of things inside the box itself. So here we have some foil, the mouse, and that's it. So as you can see, this is a fairly weird shape for a mouse. Really not something most people would use. So you kind of grab it kind of like this. So your hands are in an upright position. And as you can see from the top, here is a scroll wheel that you can actually activate from both sides. You're going to use your left thumb or your index, or sorry, your thumb or your index finger to activate it. And you kind of push it to click it. And on the left side here, there are two buttons for you to use. They're kind of those extra buttons. This is not your left and right click. I don't think it is. And on the right side here, you have your left click, you have your right click, and you have middle click. And on the bottom, you can see that there are some glossy metal pads that are going to be used so that it can slide around easier, as well as your optical sensor. And I want you guys to notice this knob over here. This is a kind of a silver knob. And now, what does this do? So what happens is it's kind of a screw. So what happens is that this is actually a screw. You unscrew it, and this allows you to tilt it to the right or to the left, whichever one is more comfortable for your hand, which is actually fairly innovative. So I'm going to tighten it again. And yeah, and this right here is the cable, and it's a USB, pretty standard. So I'm going to test this out and tell you my findings. All right, so after using this for a few days, I realized that this is actually it's a very, very comfortable position to put your hand in, which is very nice. I like it. I will continue using it. The only thing I don't like is that this is not wireless. I'm used to wireless mice, but it's not that big of a transition back to non-wireless. It's just a little bit annoying. So this is something that I do recommend to people who do have, you know, carpal tunnel syndrome, because this is it's a much more natural position. So be sure to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that little notification bell to make sure you're notified of any of the latest videos that come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.